Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to our brand new topic. It's a geography-based topic this term rather than history, and we are going to be looking at Spain. And so, lesson 1, we're going to be learning how to locate Spain on a world map. So by the end of the lesson, you'll know where the UK is, you'll know where Spain is, and you'll be able to make comparisons between the two. Okay? So, first things first, I'd like you to pause the video and tell me anything that you can about Spain. Just write down some little notes. What language I speak there, religion, where is it, and stuff like that. Okay? Okie dokie. So, first things first, we need to work out roughly where Spain is in the world. Now, all of these different areas here, these are different continents. They're all made up of, most of them made up of lots and lots of different countries. So, I wonder, does anybody know where Spain is in here? Okay, let's find out. It's in Europe. It is up here somewhere. So we no longer need to look at Australia, Asia, Africa, Antarctica, South America, or North America. We can put all of our attention onto Europe. Okay, so now that we know it's in Europe, we can ignore the other 6 continents. I'm going to ask you to find a map of Europe online, and I'm going to ask you to try and find Spain. I've actually got one here, so let's have a little look. Okay, can you see where Spain is on here? It's a really annoying watermark right there, but it's the best. Oh, if I move it up. Where is Spain on this map here? Can you see it? It's actually right here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use the compass to describe whereabouts in Europe Spain is. So if it was at the top of the picture, it would be north, east, south, west. This compass here can help you. If it was in the top right corner, it would be northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. So what I'd like you to do now is I'd like you to record in your book or in your piece of paper where Spain is in Europe. So pause the video and do that now. Okay, so Spain is in the southwest of Europe. There it is, bottom left corner, southwest on the compass. Okay, so on your worksheet, you are going to have a map of the world, and I would like you to colour in where Europe is in your on your worksheet. So where is Europe on this map? Pause the video and do that now. Okay, also on your worksheet, you're going to have a more detailed map of Europe. Now I would like you to colour in where Spain is. So pause the video and do that now. Okay. So we've done Spain, but we're going to be comparing Spain to England. So next, which continent is the UK in? Which one of these is it in? Okay, let's find out. There it is, it's in Europe. So even though Brexit is happening, we are still actually in the European continent. Okay, so now that we know it's in Europe, we can ignore the other 6 continents again, just like we did before, and we are going to be working out where in Europe the UK is, and we're going to be using our compass to describe where it is. So everyone have a little look. Where is the United Kingdom in Europe? Remember to use your compass. Once you've found it, I'd like you to write another sentence explaining where England is, where the UK is, sorry. So pause the video and do that now. Okay, let's find out. The UK is in the west. Look, it's at the west, this side here, of Europe. Brilliant. Okay, so your main task, you're going to get given this worksheet. It will be on Dojo. We're going to be using the iPads. Well, in school we'll be using the iPads. At home you'll be using whatever tablet you have. And you're going to be researching information about Spain and the United Kingdom, and you're going to be recording it in here. So you'll have to look up what size Spain is in miles. That's very important. We can't have 1 in miles and 1 in kilometers. So all of these here are prompts. You're going to be looking for the answers to these, and you're going to be recording them in this table. And then down here, I'd like you to draw Spanish flag, colour it in, draw the United Kingdom flag, and colour it in. Now, if you're looking for a search engine to use rather than Google, you could always use KidRex. Now, KidRex is the child-friendly version of Google. Nothing inappropriate will come up if you use kidrex.com. So that's your main task. Okay. Now your extension, if you get that done and you're eager to really impress your teachers, I'd like you to write a couple of sentences just comparing the United Kingdom and Spain using the table that you've just finished. So I have done one up here. I wonder if you can see any mistakes in the ones that I've done. Spain is smaller than the United Kingdom but has a much better average temperature in the winter. The Spanish people mainly speak German and the most popular religion is Jedi. Unlike in the UK, we are pagans and we worship Thor, Odin and Frigg. Okay, so that's an example. I wouldn't copy it because I'll laugh at you if you do. It's very wrong. Okay, brilliant. So guys, that's your topic. Drop us a message if you need any help or you've got any questions. Okay, see ya. Bye.